Okay, morning guys. Let's talk about renting versus owning. Today, woke up early at punta ako sa isang apartment complex na titingnan ko, and I'm contemplating on buying a townhouse versus renting. So, itong apartment complex na ito dito sa North Carolina is just about 10 to 12 minutes also drive to my current apartment right now. Titignan ko lang kasi may mga option naman ako. Today as we speak, it's May and my renewal will be in August. So titignan ko lang yung place kasi nakita ko yung apartment, malalaki siya. And the price is $100 less than, almost $100 less than what I was quoted for my current apartment. So wala naman akong planong lumipat, pero feeling ko lang I will just felt like I need to look for my options. So yun, dito na tayo. So to cut the story short, owning versus buying, since I live by myself, it is not wise to me to buy a townhouse as of the moment because I'm not in the position that I'm comfortable to buy one. And the townhouses here in my area is really expensive, so I may need to move on a farther place just for me to own a townhouse na afford ko. So my plan for the next 3 years is to save money to own a house if need be, and if things might change in my life, so I might plan to move to other state, who knows. So ang kabutihan kasi ng naka-apartment ka, it's easy to move to one place and another. Apart from that, it's also easy to call for maintenance. You're not gonna worry about maintenance anymore because they're gonna check on it. Masiraan ka ng aircon, masiraan ka ng tubo mo or water or anything, at least may mag-fix na nun, hindi mo na problema. So yun, based sa situation ko now, I will renew my apartment here, which is only 8 to 10 minutes away from work.